Ramnath Kovind was chosen, but his name was there at the time.
Subrahmanyam Jaishankar.
Wow. Number 10 in the pecking list. This is very interesting.
Smriti Irani is not there in the top 10.
No, but Jaishankar is. That's a big one.
Yeah.
I, Subrahmanyam Jaishankar, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a Minister for the Union, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I, Subrahmanyam Jaishankar, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any persons or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a Minister for the Union, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Minister.
You know, he's the son of the Doyen of Strategic Affairs in India, K. Subrahmanyam, the one who wrote the report after the Kargil War, considered a foremost intellectual, one of the big thinkers of his time, at least as far as the foreign services are concerned.
Oh, absolutely. You know, I'd appeared before the Subrahmanyam Committee after the Kargil War, and Foreign Secretary, when he was Foreign Secretary, Ambassador Jaishankar, he would brief the media extensively about the developments that were taking place, because he said India's point of view needs to be put
He's been
across.
ambassador both to China and the United States and the Czech Republic.
And he's worked very closely with previous governments as well. As I said, his brother also is one of India's foremost historians, the #1 mind